that this microphone can improve the sound quality of your videos. This is the Rode Wireless Me. From the name itself, it's a wireless microphone. It just comes in a small size box, and inside the box you'll find one transmitter and one receiver, a carry pouch, one USB-C to Lightning cable to connect to your iPhone, one USB-C to USB-C to connect to USB-C devices and also used for charging, a TRS to TRS cable for DSLR cameras, one TRS to TRS cable, and two for windshields. This is compatible with DSLR cameras, iPhones, Android phones, or even computers. Actually, there are no physical controls on the mic, but you can control all your settings through the Rode Central app. Here you can see the battery status, software update, gain assist, mic volume, and even control the brightness of the LED lights. Additionally, the transmitter can also be used as a microphone. Simply switch on this feature in the Rode Central app and voila! You have two mics for the two-way interviews. To start it up, just press the button of both the transmitter and receiver until the LED lights turn on. One light is for the battery indicator and the other one is for pairing the transmitter and the receiver. When charging, the battery light blinks continuously. So all the audio you're hearing from this video comes straight from this Rode Wireless Me. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think? Is this a great value wireless microphone? And does it come cheap? Actually, it retails for $149 US excluding taxes. While in the past, I was just using the Boya BY-MM1 shotgun microphone for less than 1,000 pesos, which I think has a decent audio. Either way, both mics are worth its price. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. Link is on the description box below. See you on the next one.